Guys, this is Cheeky Cherry and today we are in Sahib's BBQ. I thought they were slime, but they're actually chairs. Very comfy. Let's go on. Look, there's a tree inside. It's really gorgeous. I wish there are birds there and they'll poop on everyone. That's gonna be a funny sight. I like this luxury. They're serving all around the tree. Really looks real. And look at this beautiful view. Hi, Pop. So we're gonna show you around. It's really gorgeous. There's so many things to choose from. I don't even know what I'm gonna eat. Look at those beautiful drinks and salads. The mint cucumber yogurt salad was amazing. And look, mutton halim. Yum. Then there's mutton rogan josh. There are so many good things, Hyderabadi biryani and much more. But we spend most of the time on our starters. I like the wall bricking. It's very beautiful. And look at all these. These are for the vegetarians, simple food. Follow me. Look at these awesome drinks. And Jodha Akbar. I love that movie. There's even some free candy, but it's only for display. Look, I think those are real saris. They're so beautiful. And look over here. There's some desserts and all. I hope I can touch them. I'd love to see poop on everyone's face. Okay, I'm bored. I'm going back to my seat to eat in peace. Oh, there's my dad. Hey, Pop. My seat has a nice view. He's enjoying. This drink was good. I have no idea. It's a jumble of random letters. Look, yummy chicken legs. All of this food was really good. Mutton soup. And here comes our barbecue. Prawns, chicken, I think that's paneer too. And we even have mushroom. I love mushroom. Looks like my daddy is enjoying. And just look at this view. Mutton roll. I'm really enjoying here. By the way, this is my mom taking the video. I did a hyperlapse of myself just to be funny. It's really yummy, all of this food. You guys should go there sometime. And guess what? My mom met her friend here who came with her colleagues. Everyone likes this place. And this is our mutton halim. Looks so delicious. Yum. So good. I'm going to add a kick of lemon zest and that will be fine. Well, signing off today guys. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.